Good luck. Let's do this, shall we? I'm dancing, I'm so excited. I never dance. At least it's not this one, hey Dax. Hey friends, this is the series where I put myself to the test in the kitchen. Welcome to Challenge Accepted.
How many things can we do?
Let's see how we go. All right, so today we have our blind box with my very lovely message from everyone. Do not open until filming. So we're filming now, so I can open it soon. Rule number 1, I must use 2 ingredients from inside this box. Rule number 2, I have to use an appliance chosen for me within the cooking process. Number 3, once I've chosen my ingredients from the box, that's it. I cannot go back and choose more. Number 4, I will get a score out of 10 for my dish at the end of the challenge. All right, let's have a look, because I'm excited. I like it. Let's go. Ooh. Oh, this looks nice. Look at those beautiful pieces of salmon. Sweet chili jam. Oh, nice. Okay. Red curry paste. I like that. Pastry. Ooh, a big slab of like bacon or speck. Ooh, that's smoky and nice. Okay. Plums. I wonder if they're red or yellow. So this is a yellow plum inside. All right, now I also have some kipfler potatoes here, some Chinese broccoli or gailan. I am assuming that my appliance for this challenge is my microwave, and that's pretty cool because this is one of our Panasonic microwaves that has multiple functions like microwave, grill, convection, combination cooking, some auto functions here which are pretty cool. So that kind of opens up a few more avenues for cooking. Okay, what are we doing? I definitely want to use this puff pastry. I'm gonna pull that out. Definitely want to use some of this salmon, sweet chili or curry paste, because it's kind of like, do I want a sweet kind of vibe or do I want a spicy vibe? Can I incorporate speck? Potatoes and bacon, so good, but then is that too many carbs? Well, I definitely need some greens to go with this. Greens, no, potatoes. Plums, can I fit those in? Can I do plums? Plum. Oh, I think this could go in here. I think this would be nice. I could make a little like compote kind of thing with the bacon and the plums. Do I want greens? No, I don't need greens. So I am gonna make like a salmon Wellington situation. I want to make like a nice paste to go on my salmon so that it bakes inside the pastry with kind of like some flavor on it. And then I want to make like a bacon plum jam, bacon plum jam. That's what I'm going to do, which is going to be like a little sauce to go with the salmon. So we're going to keep it like kind of French, you know, okay, it's happening in my mind. Okay, so we've got the salmon en croute with a bacon plum compote and frites, some thin chips. All right, let's do it. I'm going to put my pastry into the fridge though, because I don't want it to melt. And then what do I have here? I have eggs, which is good. Yeah, I might use some garlic or something a little bit later for my compote. I think I should do the compote first of all. No, yes, I'm going to get the compote started first. My bacon plum jam. So while I'm doing this, I'm just going to get my microwave preheating. I'm actually going to use the convection setting for this one. So it basically acts like an oven, which is really cool. Okay, so I want like 200 here, and I'm going to set that for like 30 minutes and just wait for that to preheat. Okay, now I think the real pressure point here is going to come with using my microwave. So that's probably the biggest unknown for me. I want that fat to really render out of the bacon. So I'm gonna let that hard sear for a little bit. Okay, get my plums going. Oops. I might turn it down a little bit. I don't want to hit Dax in the head with a piece of bacon. Or do I? I like this. I like this vibe. This is looking good to me. Maybe a little bit of garlic. No, shallots. I think shallots. Because the shallots will get really nice and sweet in there as well. I actually think a little bit of sugar is going to help this along too. This is cool. I like it. Do I have any herbs to work with? Oh, look at this. Someone's left me a little surprise. Oh. But it's here on the set.
Is she breaking the rules?
Yeah, you are breaking the rules.
What? It's on the set.
There, but
is this not my pantry?
By me, so you're not allowed allowed to have that.
I'm breaking the rules. I'm breaking the rules. Look, it's right there. It's here. Like, these are all my pantry ingredients, right?
Fair play.
Fair play. That's
They're
what
the
I reckon.
staples.
Fair play. Kaffir lime leaf, Hayley, is going in. Okay, so I want to get my salmon going here before I go any further. And because I'm going to bake this in the pastry, I'm going to take the skin off. Before I wrap the salmon in the pastry, I do want to kind of just give it a little bit of a treatment. I'm going to put some Thai red curry paste. I like this because it's kind of like, you know, I've got a little bit of a Southeast Asian twist on my French dinner. Okay, let's see how much pastry I have to work with here. I'm just rolling this pastry out ever so slightly thinner. I want to do like a really cool lattice sort of thing. So I've got to make sure I've got enough pastry. I think if I cut, so here, here, here. If I stuff this up, I won't get another chance at this. So, okay, I'll go over here to be sure. Roll this over, this piece here. Okay, so I just want to use my egg to kind of close up and seal my pastry here. Okay, they're looking pretty nice. Again, I want to chill down this pastry so that it's not melting. Okay, in the fridge, fun part. Well, hopefully it's fun. So this tool is going to help me get like the lattice work pattern that I want, hopefully. So I'm just going to pull this apart a little first. Okay, see, we're getting there. Looks good. I need to egg wash these first. I do have to work really quickly here because that lattice pastry is getting really soft. Oh my God, I think it's working. Success. Okay, one done. All right, I think over here on the bench top is better. God, really feeling the pressure in this one. Can someone remind me not to do decorative pastry for the next challenge? Okay, I need an egg wash on the top. Okay, so we survived the decorative part. All right, so this is exciting. Okay, now in the fridge. So I'm feeling pretty good about all this now that the pressure point of all that pastry is out of the way. So with all of that going on, the next thing I need to get going is my triple cooked chips. Okay, so you just want to keep those chips moving around a little bit as they cook. Take these out. It's really raining out there. Nice day to eat some pastry and some hot chips. Okay, I'm going to put my chips back in. This is our second cook. See, look at that. Now they're looking really good. Okay, take these out. Okay, so these look really great. They've come out of the fridge. They're nice and firm again. Now just a little bit more egg wash here as well. That's going to make things lovely and golden. All right, pop this in. I don't know what the time's going to be. I'm going to put 20 minutes and just see what happens. Have a look in here. So I think this is looking delightful. I'm going to add a little bit of this sweet chili jam into here though, because I think a nice little bit more of like a tomatoey kind of flavor is going to be really good in here. We might loosen it up a little bit too. All right, that looks cool. Just try it though. The texture is nice. Oh, it's so like caramelly and bacony. Oh, I really love it. That's great. So I reckon we're only a few minutes away from our salmon being ready. So I'm going to do my third fry on my chips. Ah, look at that. That is so exciting. Ah. I love this. I love this game. Oh, there's so much satisfaction when you make pretty pastry things. And you know, like it wasn't really that difficult. Oh, that feels crunchy and lovely. That looks really nice. Let's do this, shall we? I'm dancing, I'm so excited. I never dance. The real test though is what's going on inside this salmon. So I need to show you guys, well actually I need to show myself, because what I'm hoping for is that the salmon is still really lovely and juicy. So should we get in here? You guys ready for the close-up? Are you here, Dax? You ready? Is everyone ready? Is everyone ready? Just give me the trophy now. I love that. Look at that colour, like the little curry paste, you know, around the outside of the fish has given it that really nice red colour. That's cool. Okay, so I made some tasting plates and now for the scoring. I'm quietly confident, but I don't know. Jamie, are you first up? You're here for the chips, aren't you?
I'm here
What
for
do you
all of
think?
it, but I'm here for the chips.
I'm very excited about this one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I like it already.
Okay, the chips are epic.
It's a nice flake on the salmon.
Good plate.
I don't know, I'd probably like it a little bit less under in the centre for me, but it's still very juicy. It looks juicy. Oh, I like.
That jam's incredible.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is so fun. I would
This is epic.
literally make this for a dinner party.
this
I'm
is
really
epic.
excited about it. Mmm. The pastry is really nicely cooked. That's really fun that was cooked in a microwave oven.
Amazing.
That pastry. I'm pretty happy with that.
For flavour, creativity, and texture, I'm going to give it like 8.5.
Nice. I like it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Cheers.
Haley, do you want to try this?
Yeah.
I'm pretty excited about it. You are the toughest taskmaster though, so.
Oh, wow. Oh, that smell actually is really amazing when that first opens up. Wow. Nice.
I'm interested to see what you think about the bacon plum jam.
I will say, caffeine lime, and that is really good. Even though you were banned from using it.
What do you think of the salmon and the pastry?
Luxe texture on the inside, nice crispy pastry. Curry paste is really yum in here.
It is actually really
It's
nice.
like a secret sauce. I love it.
What are you scoring me, Haley? Expecting you to be harsh.
No, I'm going to say 9 out of 10.
What? Really?
No, I'm really impressed
That
by
makes
it.
me really chuffed.
I'm really impressed, yeah.
Thanks, Haley.
Yeah.
Oh, should I get one just like this?
Hanging out with your friends. Hey, me and my mum.
Me and my friend.
I like it.
I think that's pretty impressive, that bake. Yeah.
Hey guys, if you want to know whenever I'm releasing something new and delicious, then you should hit that subscribe button and the little bell so that I can let you know every time something new is coming out. Thanks, see you!